Hello, very good evening. This is Prabhakar, CEO, claimsbazaar.com. Today I just thought I will share a few thoughts on why pre-inspection reports are important in a marine policy. I would like to state it by way of an illustration. A customer is importing lilium bulbs from Holland and growing them in the Nilgiris in Tamil Nadu, India. Now, at the time of loading, the total number of craters loaded onto the containers is recorded. Then a temperature recorder is kept inside the container because the entire container has to be shifted to the final destination at -2 degrees centigrade. And then whether the plant quarantine has been done at the port of export. Now, once this inspection is done, the report is sent to the insurer and the insurer keeps it with him, or the amount is to be paid by the customer. On arrival at Chennai, the insured found that all the bulbs had sprouted. Now, if it sprouts, that is the end of the lilium bulbs. It has to be dumped as waste. Now, how to avoid this? Or how to get over this as a claim? So, this came in handy because at the time of loading, the temperature recorder was placed inside. So, the temperature recorder was maintaining the temperatures at each and every point. That is, as soon as the container is loaded onto the ship, it has to be plugged in. After that, the certain ocean liners don't come to India, so it is offloaded in Singapore. And Singapore, the container was taken out, but the container was not plugged in to the electric socket. Thereafter, the container was shifted to the smaller vessel coming to Chennai, and it was put into the electric socket. But during this period, when the temperature had to be maintained at -2, the temperature at Singapore showed that due to non fixing of the electric socket, the temperature has gone up to 4 degrees, thereby the bulbs had sprouted. So when the claim arose, the surveyor came, the surveyor was informed, insurance company was informed, surveyor came, and then we had to show, or the pre-recorded temperature recorder had to be taken out and shown. Detailed study was done where this could have happened, and it was found that this happened at Singapore port. So this is why it is very important that the pre-inspection is required. This pre-inspection, suppose the insurance company should not doubt that the entire cargo was wrongly sent or spuriously sent. This will get avoided. So at the time of a claim, once at the time of loading the cargo, everything was perfect. It was only during transit this has happened. So to pay a claim became easier. So therefore, marine policy, all risk cover requires a pre-inspection report, and that report will be very handy at the time of claims. Thank you so much.